It's Up the Ladder, session 11. So today I'm going to teach you that nonfiction readers stop and think about what they're reading, figuring out what they think, feel, and wonder about it. So the other night I was watching a show with my family about investigators solving these unsolved mysteries and crimes. The show was so interesting and my whole family got really into it. We started all making comments like, "I can't believe it. I'm feeling so worried right now." We started sharing our feelings and our ideas, and we started asking questions. Someone asked, "Why is that important? What are you thinking now?" We were picking up clues and trying to solve the mystery. We have been doing a lot of work with trying to really get what nonfiction texts are teaching. The main or central ideas. But that's not all it takes to understand nonfiction. Today, I want to teach you that to really understand, nonfiction readers can't only take in ideas and information. Readers also need to have responses or to respond to the text with thoughts, feelings, and questions. Readers ask, "What do I think? What do I feel? What do I wonder about what I just learned?" So today we're going to look at pages 20 to 21 again of Mummies. And we're going to look at these 4 questions. What did I learn? How does this make me feel? What does this make me wonder? And what does this make me think? Here we have pages 20 to 21. Again, this is called Tomb of Treasures. So let's reread this first before we go on to answer our questions. Ancient Egyptians made millions of mummies. In 1922, a scientist named Howard Carter found a special mummy in Egypt. Carter peeked into a dark tomb and was struck with amazement. Gold sparkled everywhere. Carter had found the tomb of Tutankhamun, known as King Tut. He died over 3,300 years ago. He was only 18 years old, but the young king was buried with priceless treasures. Tut's tomb made him the most famous mummy in the world. So let's look at this. What did I learn? So first, let's go back and say, what did I learn? Well, I learned maybe that Howard Carter found King Tut's tomb. It was in 1922. There was gold all over. He's known as King Tut. He died 3,300 years ago. He was only 18 years old when he died. So I learned a lot of facts there. But then I want to say, how does this make me feel? Feelings. Well, I'm kind of amazed that they were able to get all that gold and stuff was still there after 3,300 years ago. I've heard that many tombs and stuff are raided. There's nothing really left in there these days, but they were able to find one that was still intact that had all this gold in it. Okay. So, I'm amazed at that. So what does this make me wonder? I have a lot of things I wonder about. I wonder how many other tombs that they have found that contain all these treasures and the mummies. Okay. I might wonder about what happened to King Tut for him to have died so young. What does this make me think? This makes me think that King Tut must have been an important person in ancient Egypt because he had all this gold everywhere and he was only 18, but had so many riches and stuff buried with him and these treasures that were there. He must have been really important. As you see, I took my time there to react to and to respond to this text by looking at ways it made me feel, what I thought, what I wondered about. So you're going to do the same thing. All right. So you're going to be looking at, not with your partner today, but you're going to be looking at the same page that we just read, and you're going to be answering these questions about those pages.